Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix highlights and notes not saving in Feedly. So if they aren't saving in Feedly, it's usually due to sync issues, app glitches, or account problems. So actually guys, as first I do really advise you to start by checking your internet connection. So the highlights and notes needs an active connection to sync, so just make sure that your phone is online at least, okay, and you have a strong internet. Also guys, I really advise you to force sync and refresh, and to do that you all need to pull down and refresh your feeds just like that, and open the article again and try adding a highlight or note. Okay, so if that didn't fix your problem, you will need to confirm that you are logged into the correct account at first, okay? Because the highlights and notes are tied to your Feedly account. So just go with the three lines that's located at the bottom left corner, and then just log out from your account. It's the last option, and sign in back, okay, to ensure sign-in works. Also, why not go ahead and check for an update for the app or for Feedly app by or throughout your Google Play Store, Apple App Store if you are using an iOS phone, and then just go with the Explore icon that's located at the bottom right corner and look for Feedly. Okay, so tap it, find it, tap again, and then just tap on updates. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.